Hi everybody. If you teach English to non-native English speakers, you might find that your students have a hard time getting really comfortable with that third-person singular S. You know, the one where we say I sit and you sit, but he sits and she sits. And we say we push and they push and you push, but he pushes and it pushes. It seems simple, but it's, as I say, kind of hard to get comfortable with. So here's a puzzle that's easy for you to make and that will give your students lots of practice with this particular grammar point while they're having fun. Take a look at the video. If it's something that you think would be good for your students, please do use it and let me know in the comments below how it went for you. Blue on blue. Today the children are playing Grammar 9 Square. Let's see. Here's one of the kids working on a puzzle. Get a close-up of it.
Hi.
It has to be a 3 by 3 square they're making. And here's another one. And this one over here is all done. Let's go over here. Let's check this out. Oh boy. Let's see what we have. There we go. 3 by 3. And we have he pushes, I push, it pushes, you push, we push, we push. Going the other way, we have she pushes, they push, you push, they push, she pushes, I push. So we have all of the personal pronouns in the subjective case. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, with the verb push. And now we're going to check the student who did this. And here's our key, which the kids can use if they don't know. They can use this. You're finished? Okay, hold on. We'll come to you in a minute. And here's the push. So let's see. You ready? I'm going to say the I or you, and you're going to say I push or I pushes. Okay? They.
They push.
They push. Good. You.
You push.
You push. Right. She.
She pushes.
She pushes. Good. We.
We push.
We push. I.
I push.
I push. It.
It pushes.
It pushes. He.
He pushes.
He pushes. I think that's all of them. Good job. Perfect. Yay. Fantastic. Okay, let's come over here. We have someone who's finished here. Let's see. We have I cry. He cries. It cries. They cry. You cry. They cry. They cries? Oh, they cries. I don't think so. Let's see. Let's check. I think they cries is different. Cry, cry, cry. Where's the cries? Here's the cries. They cry. Okay, good try. Keep going. And that's the Grammar 9 Square. Thank you for visiting my channel and for watching the video. If you want to try this activity yourself, you can of course design and create your own version from scratch, but you're perfectly welcome to print out my version and save yourself a whole lot of trouble. To do that, go to the video description down below under this video window. You might have to click the Show More, but then you should see links to all the PDFs that you'll need, and you can print them out and use them as you see fit. You just can't market them or sell them or claim them as your own. Once you've printed them out, you'll need to make game tiles. So in just a few moments, I'm going to have a live link to a video that shows how I make my game tiles. And as a little extra bonus, I'm also going to have a link to the video that shows how I make game cards for when I need playing cards for games in my classroom. All right then, don't forget the like button below, and here are the videos that I promised you. Ta-da! Oh, look, there's even a subscribe button. Thanks again, and I wish you the very best in your teaching. Blue on blue.